G'day guys, Greg here. Well, it's not very often that I don't plan to make a video, but today's one of those days and well, I've got no idea what I'm going to cook. I'm just going to literally wing it today and we'll just cook something. We're going to look in the fridge and see what I got and just make something because it is lunchtime and well, I got no idea what I'm going to make. So let's go look in the fridge and see what I got and then just make something. Let's do it. All right, what have I got in here? The basics, the food, beers, of course. I got lots of those. Got some potatoes, got an old banana, I don't know what that's doing. I got some potatoes that are out of date. Great. Lucky I got them for free. Have you tried this Bundaberg with myrtle? That's great stuff, that one. Anyway, I'm looking for something to eat. I've got some like chip things here. I might put those up here. Might use those. Oh, I've got some old burgers. Gee, I hope they're still all right. Well, I'll use those. Yeah, what have I got here? Oh, some olives. I do like those things. Let's use that. What else? Oh, cheese. Nice. I'll use some of that. Look, I did see some eggs here. They're always good to have an egg just sitting lying around because you never know, they could come in handy one day. Some bread. Yeah, well, I've got some bread. I'll use that. What else have I got? Some mayo. I got some tomato sauce. I got some mustard. Might as well grab those too, eh? You never know what could happen. Right. Anything else in there worth investigating? Some yogurt? Well, I could add some yogurt. But, well, we'll see. Well, and over here I've got like things. Well, I got some Christmas cards there. Thank you very much for those Christmas cards, by the way. I've got an onion and, well, a tomato as well. That should come in handy. Right. So, they're my ingredients so far. I might still add something, but we'll soon find out. How about we just start cooking something? So, get this frying pan heating up. And, well, let's start cooking. So firstly, I guess we better start cutting up some things like this onion. Looks a bit old actually. Looks very old. It's starting to grow in the middle. That's all right. I could plant that and, well, grow my own onions. So thank you very much. By the way, the chef club sent me this knife. I tell you what, soon it's quickly become my favourite knife to use. It's nice and sharp, even though I've sharpened it, but much better than like these other knives that I got sent, these Kamikoto ones. Mate, they were terrible. I got those things just sitting in the cupboard now, just taking up space. I should go and donate them to a church or something. So just cut these up. I might whack some oil in the old saucepan today, get things going, and we'll get these onions going, and also we'll get these chunky cheeseburgers. I had some the other day, pretty average of course. But they were cheap. I paid what, $2.13 or something for them. $2.73. So that's pretty cheap for 4 burgers, but gee, I tell you what, they taste really average. But hey, they're going to do the job for me today. Chunky cheese beef burgers. See if they can squish out a bit. I don't like these things because they're normally like hockey pucks, aren't they? But if I can at least squeeze them out a bit, they might be alright. Yeah, that's better. Cook my pretties. Alright, well, I think I might make a triple decker burger today. Wonder if that'll work if I toast it like that. Do you reckon it will? Let's find out. Now the reason I'm toasting the bread is because the bread is like really old and stale. a little bit like my videos. Now, how are these things coming along? Yeah, looking good, looking good. Are these cooking well? Yeah, looking nicely cooked. Some might even say overcooked. Alright, well the toast's popped. And that one, well that's cooked on both sides. This one here, that's alright. She'll be alright. Anyway, I've got some other things that I remember that I need to start cooking, like the egg. And plus I've got these olives, which I think what I might do, just put some, like on top of the burger like this. Of course they all fell off, so we'll put those back on, and to stop them from falling off again, get some cheese on the top. Hopefully that'll stop it from, like, you know, the stuff from floating around. Might as well put another piece of cheese on here. Get that melting. And I need to make some space for my egg. Ah, perfect. Beautiful. Well, that looks like everything's pretty much cooked, so let's start throwing this thing together. Alrighty, which one's this one? I'll use that as the base, and we'll chuck on that with the olives, and we'll throw the onions on there too. Whack some mayo on. Doesn't that look appetizing? Throw some tomatoes on, because why not? And next put a piece of bread, and then let's grab this other piece of meat. Get the old Coles cheese cubes out. Throw some of those on. Hopefully they'll stick nicely to that cheese. Get on there. Should probably add some tomato sauce to that now. And what's a burger without some mustard? A pretty lousy one. Put the egg on, and then we finish this off with a piece of bread on top. And there we have it. Whatever burger I just made is done. So now I guess the question is that I've got to ask is, would you eat this? I know I'm having second thoughts myself, but well, it is lunchtime and I am hungry, so I guess I'd eat anything. Even this monstrosity. Okay, let's see if my mouth can fit around it. Ah. Oh. It's surprisingly good. In a sadistic sort of way. I mean, it is all food after all, isn't it? So, technically, it should be edible. And, well, it is. Yeah. Well, there you go. The burger I made out of stuff in the fridge. Now the question is, would you eat this? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I whip something up. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made a burger or sandwich or something using all these bits and pieces that I found in the fridge, and you know what, it tasted delicious. yeah.